How to fix WhatsApp voice message in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix the WhatsApp voice message. So the first way is you have to go to the settings and then go to the apps. Go to apps. Now here on this page you need to wait a few seconds. It will start loading those apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp and click on it. After you click on WhatsApp, now all what you have to do on this page is just click on the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the microphone one, and then go back, click here on this force stop option to close the WhatsApp. Don't worry, you won't lose any informations, just click on it. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store and check if you have the latest version of WhatsApp. If you don't have it, then you have to update. And the last way is just change the network that you are connected to, especially the Wi-Fi. And that's it guys. Now all what you have to do is leave a like if the video was helpful and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.